tomorrow we are going to the other park.
So now we got my shoes in a tactical position. They're hidden right now. You can't see them, but that means the water can't get them either. We need these shoes to make it alive dry.
These are going to be the most back. I thought it was that drop would have been nice.
Hey, look, it's the parking lot. I wonder what the secret trick will be.
It's just down this part.
Now this is the real scary part. How wet am I gonna get?
Really wet. Really wet.
A little?
No. You can get
I think he's lying to me.
You can get
Uh-oh. Right. I don't think I want to see. I like being dry, but it's also really hot outside, so I'm fine getting wet. Uh-oh, here we go, the moment of truth. The shoes are safe, but the question, am I? My feet, they're alive! But I'm not! But it feels fantastic at the same time! Nah, that's a one and done for me. I'm going to Steel Eel now.
You can go on that.
Yes. I'm going on my own. I can go right in the front too. I'll get the knee soaked.
Oh, I get something got in my eye.
Water.
Probably the chlorine.
You'll be fine. I got soaked twice now.
So this is gonna be your third time going on when this comes back. No, we ain't going again.
She really wants us to go in.
No.
I'm going to your left.
Guys,
Left, guys.
my shoes, they survived. Let's go. That actually felt really refreshing. And now that I actually know that I can leave my bag off to the side over there, now